In this video, we'll cover how Cloudflare gives you complete visibility and control over AI applications in your environment. We'll walk through three main areas: shadow AI reporting, application confidence scores, and policy enforcement. Starting in the Shadow IT report, you can see all applications that are being used across your environment. This applies to any Shadow IT, not just AI. Cloudflare is pulling the headers off of internet-bound traffic and associating them with web applications. Here in this report, you can also see data downloaded to and from said applications based on their approval status. And as I keep going through it, I can see multiple AI applications like Perplexity and Gemini surfacing across my organization. In this scenario, my company has designated ChatGPT as the approved AI tool, and I'd like to get a better understanding of what kinds of AI tools are being used by my employees. Here, we can see that apart from the 2 approved AI applications, there are 8 others currently in use, 4 of them unreviewed and 4 of them explicitly labeled as unapproved. I'd like to get a better understanding of what these applications are, so I'm going to go to the app library. The app library surfaces many of the applications that Cloudflare has identified and categorized. And here, I'm filtering down to AI applications and looking at some that are in review. Inside the app definition, I can see we've given this service a safety score based on industry compliance standards. And also, if I click into the app definition, I can see any host names that are associated with it. I'm going to go ahead and mark this application as unapproved. However, in the Shadow AI report, we saw unapproved applications in our environment. So how exactly are we going to enforce this? Well, to do that, I'm going to go to Firewall Policies. Here, inside of a new HTTP policy, I'm going to define the following expressions. If the application is classified as artificial intelligence, and if the application status is unapproved, then I'm going to redirect this traffic to ChatGPT, the approved AI tool for my organization. On the right, you can see me go into Cloud, a popular AI tool. And also, you can see how I've been redirected to ChatGPT. However, that one was already unapproved, so I'm going to go to gemini.google.com, and I can see that one also redirects me to ChatGPT, showing me that the approved and unapproved list is now being enforced across my organization.